start.
There are times when I just want to look at your face. And the stars in the night. There are times
Tuloy mo lang.
to feel your embrace. In the whole time.
Pabilis. Yeah.
I just want to.
Gusto ko pumunto, pero dahil lumakas.
You were just a bit that I was you. I never thought I would be right for you. I just wanted
Ano ba paborito mong laro?
badminton.
Wow, taray! Ako ping-pong eh. Alam mo yung kanta ni Sharon? Between Walang Ningning. Pero alam mo yung chorus. Sa piling mo,
Kaya ako
Piling mo, kaya, no?
wala
hindi, ito, sabi. Sa piling mo, ngayon ako'y
between walang ningning.
ang mamatay. Hindi alam. Ano bang hindi na ba yun? Pasensya naman. Nasa pamilya mo?
Ay, nasa ba?
Alam ko nasa bahay. Dito ba? Kasi,
Ay, nandito.
kasi ilan taon ka na dito?
Magpa 5 years.
Oh my God, so English speaking ka na ngayon.
Not really.
Not really, oh my God. Alam niyo po, kwento ko lang mayroon po kasing ako talaga gusto kong pumunta ng LA, gusto kong pumunta ng US para matuto mag-English. Oo. May isang kwento po, may isang batang gusto makapag-aral. Gusto niya matapos ang pag-aaral niya para matuto siya magsalita ng English. Ngayon, sabi ng bata,
Nay, gusto ko pa mag-aral. Gusto ko pa magsalita ng English.
sabi ng nanay, oh sige anak, maghanap ka ng 5 English. Ilista mo sa papel, balik mo sa akin at mag-enroll ka. Unang nakita ng bata sa palengke ba?
Palengke
Isa,
ba?
ya naman. So, ako lang. Unang nakita ng bata sa palengke ay Vietnam. Pangalawa, year 2000. Pangatlo, trash can. Pang-apat, yes. Pang-lima, come on. Ano ba yung come on? Yung come on? Yun. Basta come on. Common na yun. Alright, umuwi yung bata. Sabi ng bata, Nay, may ilan namang English na ako. Baka pwede mag-intro. Sabi, sige, kaya mo na, anak. Saktong-sakto siya, masunod na pumila. Okay, next. Sabi ng teacher, what's your name? Binasa nila sa papel niya. What's your name? My name is Vietnam. How old are you? Year 2000. Where do you live? I live in trash can. Niloloko mo ba ako? Yes. Gusto mo sa pakikita? Oh, come on. Okay, Iha, alam mo ba yung let it go? Let it go, let it go. Whisper words from wisdom. Okay, kanta natin. Okay, music please. Hindi mo alam? Hindi mo memorize? Memorize natin. Ako muna ha. Diyan ka lang. Snow glows white on mountains tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation, and it's look like I'm a queen, queen, queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside, side, side. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried, tried, tried.
To let them in, to let them in.
Always
Always
have to be.
to let them know. But now they
Well, now they know.
let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Can't hold it back anymore.
Anymore.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go. To the ways that I belong.
I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm
Choco. Spiral some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears the one control me can't get to me at all. Oh yeah, man. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. With the sky, let it go, let it go. Ganyan naman. Never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Restoration. Ayaw mo? Say it again. My powers flowing through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling and frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast.
I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go.
I want the break of dawn.
Let it go, let it go.
The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Restoration. I will never bother me anyway. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Ay, sige, bahala ka. Ito papagalitan. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hati na kita. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome.
Yes! Yes!
Ha?
Yes!
Ako, ma-child abuse